All right. This is an historic moment for me and for Near 300 from Lotar Combat. 5 years ago, right before Thanksgiving, we released the Orev 5132 Deadliest Warrior 9-inch, the OG, the original of my Orev knife series with Lotar Combat. It has been 5 years of an amazing adventure, development into what I'm about to open off that box, which is the Sigma. And also coming up next year, the Shadow Warrior ROTF. This is the Sigma polymer that I approved a few months ago, and I'm about to unbox. I'm so excited. The Sigma. I'm gonna use the original. This is the first ever Orev, number 13 ever made, was made specifically for me. Here we go, unboxing the Sigma. I've been waiting for this all day long. Very sharp knives. As usual, Nir always packs everything immaculately. I can't believe it. I'm trying not to be too excited. Oh my God. Look. Oh my God. All right. Unboxing. I've not seen it yet. Neil! Why? Number 13 of 30, specifically made for my Ghana people. Oh, it's so light. I can't believe it. Oh my God. Nir. Chapeau, Achi. Chapeau. Why? It is so freaking light. ניר! אוהב אותך אח שלי. Unbelievable. If you're one of the people nationwide and worldwide getting one of those bad boys, wow. It feels so good in the hand. Why?